Namaste. A museum dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi in USA would normally sound unbelievable. But here we are, and it is happening in the city of Houston, a city that has been home to me and my family for the last 50 years. It is indeed an honor and pleasure for me, Dev Mahajan, and my wife Sushma Mahajan, along with my 3 brothers, my sister, our 2 daughters, and their families, to be part of this unique initiative, along with the like-minded supporters and contributors that has made this incredible museum become a reality.
It all began in September 2004 at the celebration of Janmashtami, the birth anniversary of Lord Krishna, when we met Mr. Atul Kothari, founder of Mahatma Gandhi Library. It has now mushroomed into Eternal Gandhi Museum, Houston, in short, EGMH. Atulji had set up a booth to distribute copies of Autobiography of Mahatma Gandhi. We invited him to set up a similar booth at the Arya Samaj Greater Houston event as we were observing Non-Violence Day in celebration of Mahatma Gandhi's birthday on October 2nd. This incident has turned into a lifelong friendship between our families. Atulji subsequently invited Devji to join the board as the founding trustee of EGMH, and in due course, he and his wife Rita have become part and parcel of Arya Samaj Management Committee.
Over the years, Arya Samaj has served as the temporary headquarters of EGMH. As a matter of fact, this recording is taking place at Arya Samaj facility. Additionally, Arya Samaj has been the venue for annual speech contests and monthly meetings of EGMH. Children of Arya Samaj 2 schools, DAV Montessori Elementary and DAVSS Global, have been active participants at the speech contests and EGMH 1000 Lights of Peace annual event. It is Houston's citywide celebration to observe the anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi and annual Mahatma Gandhi Week contests. Atul, a CPA by profession, offered to maintain the books of Arya Samaj Greater Houston. It was a win-win situation for both organizations. In 2016, Eternal Gandhi Multimedia Museum in Delhi, India, made an incredible offer to gift their traveling museum exhibits to EGMH. The Delhi Museum is an incredibly creative museum inaugurated in 2006 using the latest and greatest technology available at the time. We all got excited by the offer and decided to house this museum here in Houston. Realizing that the technology of museum from Delhi needed updating, EGMH board embarked upon creating a brand new world-class museum using technology of today.
It gives us and our family great pleasure in welcoming you to this brand new, one-of-a-kind, exquisite museum. We sincerely hope that you will enjoy the museum exhibits and implement many of the principles you learn here in your daily lives. Our support of this project is our way of showing our immense gratitude to United States, our adopted country, which has provided us the opportunity to work hard, earn a decent living, and flourish. We are part of Indo-American community making this humble gift to our fellow Americans. We wish Eternal Gandhi Museum, Houston, the very best and continued success in preserving and keeping alive the legacy of Mahatma Gandhi to settle conflicts non-violently.
Our heartfelt wish is that it succeeds beyond our wildest dreams to inculcate universal values of truth, non-violence, love, service, and peace to make this world a better place to live in peace and harmony.